doing, backers? Okay, today's video I'm going to have a go at making some Mars Bar Chrispies. So what we need is 150 grams of chocolate, 120 grams of butter, and 300 grams of Rice Krispies or of a supermarket equivalent, and also 4 Mars bars. Okay, so what you need to do is cut these up into tiny little pieces. So okay, so what I'm doing now is melting the butter in a saucepan. Right, so now that the butter is totally melted, I'm now going to pour in the Mars bar. Okay, so stirring this in. Ouch! I'll be very careful, of course. Got to stir very hard, or otherwise you are going to burn the bottom of the pan. And when the substitute home ec teacher nagged me because I wasn't, she thought I wasn't stirring hard enough, when back in the day I told her to shut up. It didn't go down very well, to say the least. So now that I've taken it off the boil, putting some Rice Krispies in, and I am going to continue stirring it like so. Right. Okay, so I've put the mixture in this thingy here, this casserole bowl to set. Okay, so it's worth noting that you don't have to use all the Crispies weighed out. Do it until, only do it until put them in cup by cup, only until the mixture has gone very slightly gooey. Okay, so what I'm doing now is putting the broken up chocolate in the microwave. Put it in for a couple of minutes, and between halfway through, don't forget you need to stir it, otherwise in microwaves chocolate does tend to ruin. Okay, so taking it out of the microwave round about halfway through. So as I said before, the chocolate won't burn halfway through. Giving it a little mix and then putting it back into the microwave again. Okay, so what I'm doing now is putting this chocolate on the top like so, spreading it evenly. Okay, so I actually had to melt more chocolate to well, break up more chocolate to melt it so that it would be even. So okay, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge now so that it will totally set. I'm just putting it in the fridge for a few hours to set. Okay, I'll show you the end result in due course, but I'm going to say one thing. Okay, so what you don't want to do is you do want to add the Rice Krispies a cup at a time, but I don't think the recipe I looked up was altogether correct. It said 300 grams. You don't want to make it up to 300 grams. Only do it until the mixture is very slightly gooey. Because if you do it the way I did it previously, what will happen is the consistency won't work because there's some remaining Crispies and some Crispies will go over the place and your cake will crumble slightly. Okay, so this should be basically the end result. That is what basically the consistency should be. Okay, sorry about the camera work for this video. But the tripod, my tripod, it's absolutely gone for a Burton. So short of buying another one, there's nothing really I can do about it. But anyway, if you are learning to cook or are autistic and wanting to learn to cook, and if you just want to learn to cook, just don't forget to subscribe for more content, and drop a like on this video. That always helps with the algorithm. And do remember, I have your back.